Hi everybody, just a quick one today, mostly because I keep forgetting how to do it. If you want a reference video in your viewport for various reasons, for animating, for modeling, it's fairly straightforward to put a still image in there. There's just a few more steps to putting some video in there. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to want is to export a image sequence. So go into your editing software of choice. This is Premiere, and I have just this little clip here. We want to export that as an image sequence. Go into here, I'm going to choose PNG. I'm going to choose a folder and I'm going to export that. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the frame rate is the same as your video. So ours is 25. Then come down to the material window down here, double click to create a new material. Let's open that up. Let's deselect reflectance. Come up to the color channel. Let's click the three little dots here where it says texture. Let's go to our folder that we just saved the image sequence to. Let's select the first image in the sequence and click open. Nope, we don't need to move it. Okay, let's click on the image. Let's come to the animation tab. Let's click calculate. Make sure that that frame rate is the same as what you just put in the project tab. Come down to the viewport section down here. Choose animate preview. We can close that now. Come up to this menu up here. Choose background. And let's drop that material onto the background. Okay, and we can scrub through and we can see that it's playing. You'll need to change your amount of frames to match something similar. Now, if it's really bad quality, you want to come back into the material here, come to the viewport tab, and you can change the texture preview size to whatever you want. So this footage is just 1080p, so you could just go 1024, 1024. Have a look now. That's a lot better. And there we have it. There's our video in the viewport.